Good morning class. Welcome to AGCS Purulia. Today we learn the second class of sequence and series. A1, A2, A3, AN are in AP arithmetic progression. If AN plus 1 that is equals to AN plus D, where n belongs in natural number. AN plus 1 that is equals to AN plus D. That means A3 minus A2 that should be equal with A2 minus A1, and we term it as a common difference D that you already learned in the class, in class 10. Now nth term or general term of the AP, that is AN, denoted by A plus n minus 1 into D. Sum of the nth term is n. We are denoting by n by 2 A plus 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Now this one we can write down n by 2 A plus n minus 1 into D. This is AN. So the same thing we can write down n by 2 A plus AN. That means first term plus last term, sum of that into n by 2. Exercise 9.2. Sum number 3. In an AP, the first term is 2. That means value of A is 2. The sum of the first 5 terms is 1/4 of the next 5 terms. Sum of the first 5 terms means sum of the first 5 terms is 5. That is equals to 1/4 of the next 5 terms. That means that is equals to 1 by 4 into S10 minus S5. This relation is given. Now at first you have to find out 20th term. For that at first you have to find out the value of D. S5 4S5 that is equals to S10 minus S5, or 5S5 that is equals to S10. From these relations we can write down this one. Now if we consider the first term 2 and let the common difference be D. Then S5, 5 into 5 by 2, 2A, value of A is 2 plus n minus 1 into D. That is equals to 10 by 2, 2A, 2 into 2 plus, here value of A is 5. So we can write down directly 5 minus 1. Here value of n is 10. So we can write down directly 10 minus 1 into D. 5 by 2, value of is 5. 5 by 2, 2 into 2, value of A is 2 plus 5 minus 1 into D. 10 by 2, 2 into 2, value of A is 2 plus 10 minus 1 into D. Now simplify. You can cancel this 2 and 2. And 5 and 2. So we got here this one 5, 4 plus 4D. that is equals to, we got 2 into 4 plus 9d. You can take 4 common from here because both the term is 4. So we can get from there, or you can simplify directly from these steps also. You can take 2 common from there and simplify, or you can do that one. Whatever you like. Simplify and find out the value of d from here. That means we are getting 20 plus 20d, that is equals to 8 plus 18d, or 20d minus 18d, that is equals to 8 minus 12. So 2d equals to 8 minus 20, that is minus 12. So value of d is minus 6. Now what you have to find out? You have to find out the 20th term, a20. That is value of a is 2. Plus n minus 1 means 20 minus 1 into minus 6. And simplify, you will get the answer minus 112, which is given. Now, question number 5. In an AP, Pth term is 1 by Q. Qth term is 1 by P. So, let the first term that is equals to A, and common difference that is equals to D. Now Pth term, that means AP, that is equals to given A plus P minus 1 into D, that is equals to 1 by Q. Equation 1. Qth term AQ, that is equals to A plus Q minus 1 into D, that is equals to 1 by P. Equation 2. So from these two relations, find out the relations between A and D, because both the term is unknown here. So from these two, so from 1 and 2, we are getting P minus 1 minus Q minus 1 whole D, that is equals to 1 by Q minus 1 by P. P minus 1 minus Q minus 1, we are subtracting from equation 1 to equation 2. So we got P minus 1 minus Q minus 1 into D, that is equals to 1 by Q minus 1 by P. Simplify. So we are getting from here P minus 1 minus Q and minus plus 1 into D, that is equals to P minus Q by PQ. Simplifying this one, we are getting that is D is equals to 1 by PQ. We can simplify the term and find out the value of A from here, any term. Value of A will get 1 by Q minus P minus 1 by PQ. That is, we got PQ, then here Q is there, so P minus plus 1, so 1 by PQ. So value of A is also 1 by PQ and value of Q is also 1 by PQ. And you have to find out sum of first PQ terms, that is half of PQ plus 1. So sum of first PQ term means is PQ we have to find out. That is PQ by 2, formula is n by 2, 2a, 2 into 1 by PQ plus P plus PQ minus 1 whole divided by PQ. Both have a same common denominator PQ. So simplifying this one, PQ, this one we are getting PQ by 2 into PQ plus 1 whole divided by PQ, and simplifying we got half of PQ plus 1, which is given to proof Q. Sum number 7, just I am giving you the hints how you will do the sums. It is given kth term is 5k plus 1. That means AK, that is equals to 5k plus 1. So first you find out A1, that is 5 plus 1 6. Similarly find out A2, then A2 minus A1, that is your D, and then you find out the sum. Now from question number 1 to 7 I have shown you the sum number 3, 5 and 7. I have given you the hints. So you will work out, this is your homework, sum number 1, 2, 4, 6 and 7. That's all for today. Thank you so much.